Good morning. Welcome to Sidok Sunday School in Smoky Mountain here in Tondo, Manila, Philippines. Welcome. I'd like to share with you our ministry here in Smoky Mountain every Saturday. We conduct kids ministry here. We teach them. So this is our team. We teach them about the gospel of Christ, about the Word of God. And after this, we give them food or vitamins, everything that we have. So these are the kids, hundreds of kids gathering around and sitting around, and listen to the Word of God, listen to the teaching of Jesus. Ask for your prayer and for your desire to help, and pray for this ministry. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your passion as you see, as you watch this footage for God's glory. We call this Sidok Sunday School every Saturday morning.
Para makagawa ng pagbabago. Ngayon, nakapanood tayo. Alam nyo, kilala nyo ito. Sa pagbabago nyo, sana makita natin na tayo yung mga bata. Makakagawa tayo lang at magbabago. Tandaan natin, kailangan lang isipin natin na hindi tayo isang bata lamang. At pangalawa, tayo ay sasamahan na ito. At pangatlo, mga bata, makakagawa ka ng pagbabago pagkita ng pananalangin. Pananalangin. Pag mayroong sakit yung nanay mo at tatay mo, makakagawa ka ng pagbabago. Dito mo lang ng panalangin, Panginoon.
Thank you for all the support and all the prayer you've given us. So this is our team. So this is our Sidok Sunday School. Thank you and may God bless you.